Welcome to Business Central Tips and Tricks video series. This is Czar Gabriel Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Upon creating new documents or journals, this customer posting group will be automatically transferred to those new documents and journals. This means that when you post, the customer posting group will already have accounts set up that specify where to post your receivables and discount accounts into your income statement. To create customer posting groups, in the Tell Me search bar, search for Customer Posting Group. In the Customer Posting Group page, create a line with a new code and fill the description. Then, add chart of account number in the necessary column.